Suck a polar bear's funky ass. Suck a racehorse's cock with honey tomato ketchup. Suck a donkey's shitty ass. Suck a male candlestick with hoisin sauce. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a European bison's smelly ass. Suck a woolly mammoth stick with Miracle Whip. Suck a snow leopard's ass with whipped cream. Suck a hyena's spermy dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a llama's shitty asshole. Suck a panda bear's spermy nutsack. Suck a slut bear's booty hole. Suck a greyhound's musty ass, motherfucker. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Suck a cheetah's dick. Rocco in London, Rocco in Chicago, Polaroid. See what develops.